Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss on how to make money by reselling products in Zambia. So let's first discuss what does reselling mean. Reselling is the buying of product then selling it in profit. So let's say you buy a phone. You buy a phone for 200 kwacha. This is an example price, and then reselling means is that you sell this same phone for around 400 kwacha and make profit of 200 kwacha. That means you bought the product, then you sold it profit. That means reselling. Reselling can be with anything. It can be with digital products or electronic devices, or you might have even seen like in clothing in the market they buy in bulk at cheap price, then they sell it with profit. That means reselling. So now let's discuss what products can we resell. So there are two main products which are physical. So the first one is local products and the second one is international products. In local products, there is products like company products which you can buy from the companies and resell it in local, like in shops. In local, there is even cheap products in the market that you can find and then resell it with profit outside the market. That means you can sell it online or in any events. In international, there are many websites like to buy China products. The first and the main one is AliExpress. You can find many Chinese products that can be delivered here in Zambia, and you can buy cheap products from this platform. Let's say I want to buy AirPods. As you can see, there is a big list for AirPods with even headphones. So as you can see, this one that we found, an earbud, when we click on it, it is sold for 36 kwacha. And now you can buy this product with free shipping, as you can see, with free shipping, and then sell it for profit. We can sell this earbud for at least 100 kwacha here. But as you can see, it is free shipping, but the shipping takes at least 3 months to arrive here in Zambia using AliExpress. But I have taught in my course how you can get all these China products within 14 days. In my course, I have taught using many other platforms like this, but a better platforms that you can buy from China with live payment demonstration. Walkthrough of purchasing. I've shown everything step by step, full guide inside my course. Thanks for watching this video. For more free content, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel.